Hello students, how are you? Welcome to Dhaka Online School. Today I am Enamul Islam with you and I will discuss a new grammatical topic today, and today's topic is transformation of sentences. Dear students, do you know what is transformation of sentences? Transformation of sentence is a process of changing sentences when the formation of the sentences will be changed but the meaning of the sentences will not be changed. Today I will discuss how will you change affirmative sentences to negative. Dear students, I hope you all know what is affirmative sentence and what is negative sentence. Now I am going to start some rules that will show you how to change the affirmative sentences into negative. Number 1, if only is used in affirmative sentences. Look some examples. Number 1, only a brave man can do this. Number 2, only the moon was visible. Number 3, the boy was only 10 years old. Now I will show you how will you make these affirmative sentences into negative. We will use none but instead of only if only qualify a person. Look at the example. Only a brave man can do this. Here only is qualifying a brave man here, and brave man is a person, so the negative sentence will be none but a brave man can do this. Here none but is used instead of only to make the sentence negative. Look the another example, another rule. We will use nothing but instead of only if only qualify a thing. Look at the example. Only the moon was visible. Here only is qualifying the moon, and the moon is a thing, so the negative sentence will be nothing but the moon was visible. Here nothing but is used instead of only to make the sentence negative. Next, we will use not more than or not less than instead of only if only qualify a figure or age. Look at the sentence. The boy was only 10 years old. Here only is qualifying 10 years. 10 years is a figure or age. So the negative sentence will be the boy was not more than 10 years old. Here not more than is used instead of only. You can also write this sentence, negative sentence, the boy was not less than 10 years old, and it will be correct. The next pattern of sentence, if must is used in the affirmative sentence. Look at the examples. We must do the work. You must write this letter. The boy must sing this song. How will you change this kind of sentences into negative? Let's know. We will use cannot but instead of must. Look at the example. We also can use cannot help instead of must, but in this case ing will be added with the verb. Look at the sentence. We must do the work. And the negative sentence will be we cannot but do the work. Here cannot but is used instead of must. This sentence we can be changed in the by the second rules. We must do the work. Here the negative sentence is we cannot help doing the work. Here cannot help is used instead of must, but here look, doing ing has added with do, and do has become doing. Let's see more sentences. You must write this letter. The negative sentence will be you cannot but write this letter. Here cannot but is used instead of must to make the sentence negative. If you want to cannot help, the negative sentence will be you cannot help writing this letter. Look, ing has added with write. The boy must sing this song. The negative sentence will be the boy cannot but sing this song. You also can write the boy cannot help singing this song. I hope you have understood these two rules. Now I will show you another pattern of sentence. If and or both dash dash and joins two subjects or two objects or two verbs. Look at the examples. Number 1, both Karim and Kamal can do the work. Here Karim and Kamal are subjects which are joined by both and an. Number 2, he ate eggs and breads in the morning. Here eggs and breads are two objects, and these two objects are joined by and. Look at the third sentence. He bought and sold some goods. Here bought and sold are verbs. These two verbs are joined by and. Now I will show you how will you change these affirmative sentences into negative. We will use not only but also instead of both and. Look at the sentence. Both Karim and Kamal can do the work. The negative sentence will be not only Karim but also Kamal can do the work. Here I used not only but also to make the sentence negative. Look at the second sentence. He ate eggs and breads in the morning. The negative sentence will be he ate not only eggs but also breads in the morning. The third sentence is he bought and sold some goods. The negative sentence is he not only bought but also sold some goods. Now I will show you the last pattern of sentence for today. If the sentence starts with every, look at the examples. Number 1, every mother loves her child. Here the sentence starts with every. Number 2, everyone wants to be happy. Here the sentence starts with every. And number 3, every patriot loves his country. Here the sentence also starts with every. Now I would like to show you how will we change this kind of sentences into negative. Look, we will use there is no dash but instead of every. The noun that is used with every will be placed in the gap. Look the sentence. Every mother loves her child. Every starts the sentence here. The sentence has started with every. So the negative sentence will be there is no mother but loves her child. Here there is no is used in replace of every, and but is used after the noun. Number 2, everyone wants to be happy. There is no one but wants to be happy is the negative sentence. Every patriot loves his country. The negative sentence will be there is no patriot but loves his country. Dear students, I discussed 4 rules that is used to make the affirmative sentences into negative. I hope you have understood these 4 rules to make the sentences negative. You will be able to change these kinds of sentences into negative if you practice more and more at home. No more today. Thank you all.